Hello, it's Louise from Loooeezee Handcrafts, and today I am going to unbox this machine that I finally got out of the plastic and decided to unwrap and just check it out and see if it's all that it promised to be inside the box. The reason why I bought this sewing machine was because I do sew a lot of really heavy fabrics and lots of layers, and I also wanted something that had an embroidery function on it to avoid me having to buy yet another couple of sewing machines that's going to be able to do the job that I want them to do. So I unboxed it before and I'm quite excited because I've had this for a few months, and the only reason why I've not used it is because my shed or my workshop wasn't finished and I had no space to sew in. So now I do. Time to get it out of the box and see how it goes, but first of all we need to check that everything's in the box that they promised. So let's just go through it. Sewing machine, yes, it's definitely here. Okay. And there's lots and lots of goodies that came with this machine. Extra feet, all sorts of things. So I think I should just go through and tick them off. So what comes with this machine is a bag of goodies. Let's just go through them and see what they are. 4 bobbins, yes, there's 3 in the packet. And okay, 1 in the machine, I think. Take that off. Yes, there's 1 in the machine. So tick, yes, it's in. Felt pad. Yes, that's here. A spool cap, 2 sizes, a large one and a small one. Okay, auxiliary spool pin, yes. A brush and seam ripper, yes, that's here. What else have we got? L screwdriver. These things are fantastic because all these little tight spaces that you have to get into. I lost the other one for my other machine, and I find it a bit painful that to use a conventional screwdriver. But anyway, I'm sure this will do the job on that one as well. And an edge quilting guide. Yes, definitely got that here. That fits into here somewhere, I think. Alright, so what else is in here? Not pictured. Okay, a packet of needles. There's 3 needles in there, and there's 1 in the machine. Foot control. L cord. And a soft cover. Okay, that's those accessories. Pretty standard, really. Okay, and presser feet. It comes with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 additional feet. I thought there were a few more, but I can't imagine that I would need any more than what's here. So first one, all purpose, which is on the machine, yes. Blind hem foot, yes. Zipper foot, yes. 1-step buttonhole, yes. Satin foot, yes. Button sewing foot. I think these things are so cute. Yes, that's it. Even feed foot. Oh, walking foot, yes. And a Sew Easy foot that's got a guide on it. Yes, that's here. Cording foot. And an open toe foot. Okay. It's all here. Now all I have to do is get sewing.